Good afternoon, sir. This is our video presentation. Ito po yung first form at ito naman po yung second form. Pinapakita po nito na once na nag-add na ng text sa text box, mag-show po ito na successfully added. Then proceed po sa third form and fourth form ng code. This is the result of form 1, form 2, which is mag-i-insert sila sa text box, then add, this is the form 3, the target body measurement. Then the last part of the form, the diary. Here are the final output of our project. The personal healthcare plan application, which user insert their personal information, the name, age, religion, gender, and etc. By incorporating good and bad food choices, users can make informed decisions about their diets, leading to better nutrition and health outcomes. Insert lang po ninyo sa text box, then add. Ganon din po sa habits at sa food allergies and health considerations. By tracking good and bad habits naman, user can help to recognize patterns, encouraging positive behavior change for better health. Next is the target body measurement, where the user can input and trade their body measurements like waist circumference. Last is the diary feature, which the user can serve as a tool for self-reflection, accountability, and motivation, to be able for them to track their progress, emotions, and challenges.